Anticipation is reaching new heights for Samsung's next-gen smartphone, as a major leak has virtually confirmed the official launch date of the highly awaited Galaxy S25 Edge. If you're craving a device that's sleek, futuristic, and breaks away from traditional flagship norms, the Galaxy S25 Edge could be your next upgrade. As per the most recent leak, Samsung is set to unveil the Galaxy S25 Edge on May 13, 2025. That's right, the countdown has officially begun. While Samsung has yet to issue a formal announcement, this launch date has circulated for weeks. Early reports from April 3rd had already hinted at May 13th, and now, a newly released teaser image from trusted tipster I have leaked seems to lock it in. The teaser, written in Italian, displays the words 13 Maggio 2025, Italian for May 13th, 2025, alongside a silhouette of the Galaxy S25 Edge and the tagline Beyond Slim. It's short, compelling, and has ignited excitement among tech fans. The teaser also suggests Samsung might opt for an online-only launch event, an increasingly common approach for certain flagship debuts. Now, what truly sets the Galaxy S25 Edge apart? To begin with, it's being dubbed one of the slimmest Samsung phones ever created, measuring an astonishing 5.8 millimeters in thickness. That's ultra-thin by today's standards and sure to turn heads. Samsung is pushing design boundaries with this model. Its ultra-thin metal chassis offers a luxurious aesthetic, perfect for users who value both portability and style alongside performance. Under the hood, the performance won't disappoint. The device is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, one of the fastest chipsets in today's mobile space. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or web browsing, the Galaxy S25 Edge promises flagship-level speed and efficiency. The display is another major highlight. It's rumored to sport a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel, slightly larger than the S24 screen. Expect vivid colors, deep contrast, and the signature fluid experience Samsung displays are known for. It's ideal for streaming content, mobile gaming, or everyday use. However, achieving that ultra-slim profile hasn't come without compromises. The most significant trade-off appears in the camera setup. To maintain the device's sleek build, Samsung has reportedly omitted the telephoto lens. While this could disappoint users who rely on zoom features, others may welcome the trade-off in favor of the phone's striking design. Regarding the rollout, insider reports suggest the Galaxy S25 Edge will hit shelves first in South Korea and China, approximately 1 week after the May 13th announcement. U.S. availability is expected by May 30th, so American buyers won't face a long wait. Still, there's uncertainty around the device's global availability. Speculation indicates that Samsung may limit distribution, possibly due to its unique form factor and premium positioning. This isn't your typical mainstream flagship. It's more of a boutique, high-end alternative. On the pricing front, expect a premium cost. Leaks suggest a starting price of around $1,049 for the 256GB model, climbing to approximately $1,140 for the 512GB variant. That pricing places it squarely in flagship territory, perhaps more than some are willing to spend, especially with the lack of a telephoto camera. But for those chasing futuristic design and top-tier performance in one of the slimmest devices ever, it could be worth every penny. In conclusion, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be a bold and stylish powerhouse, with a near-confirmed launch date of May 13th. With its ultra-thin metal design,